I'm using Wamp server, you can use based on your interest. Always run Wamp as administrator. Check the server status on status bar. When the icon turn green, local server running successfully. Open your browser, type localhost/, click enter. Localhost control panel will appear. Click phpMyAdmin to access databases. If your phpMyAdmin asks username and password, the default username is root, leave blank password field. Click New to create new database. Enter database name and click Create. Now we need user with permission to read-write database. For that, go to Privileges tab, click Add User Account under New section. Create username and password to connect database. And permit global privileges to all, click Go. You need to grant special permission as administration, click Grant and Go. Here it's our database name and username. Always remember password cause we needed to connect WordPress to database while installing. Open www directory, throw your local server. Extract WordPress Core files you download already, extract the files and rename with your local website name. Let's install WordPress through local server. Type localhost/WordPress folder, we already renamed the WordPress Core file folder, enter the folder name, then /click enter. Now the WordPress installer will appear, choose your language and click Next. The installer will ask the database name, username, password to connect the WordPress to your database. Enter database name, username, password. You can change the prefix based on your interest. If your database information is correct, it will show Run Installation. Click Run Installation, enter site name, username and password. This username and password will use to log in WP Admin after installation. Fill fields and click Install WordPress. When success screen appear, click Login, user the username and password to login admin dashboard. Click Login, now you reached the WP admin dashboard. Now you can install themes and plugins like Live Server. First we need to set up the WordPress settings. Go to Settings and change based on your interest. Don't forget to untick membership option. We don't need any pre-installed plugins, so we delete all plugins to start fresh installation. Now we set permalink, it's very important when you plan to build site with SEO. Now we install themes, you can directly upload and install theme, or by copying theme folder via local server WordPress theme folder. For fast option, copy pasting themes and plugins to local server WordPress folder. Copy and extract theme files to Themes folder and click Themes under Appearances. Click Activate. Click Divi and choose Divi Library to install preset layouts. Click Import and Export button, choose Import tab, click to choose files. Choose your file and click Open. Tick Import Presets and click Import Divi Builder Layout. We need to wait few seconds to migrate the layout with the builder. When import complete, it will redirect to layout pages. Now we can import layout into Pages. Go to Pages, better rename to Quick Identify the page. Rename and refresh. Now click Edit with Divi. Choose Select Pre-made Layout. We can choose layouts already imported. Click the layout to import into the page. The layout import is complete, click Save. Go to Dashboard to set homepage. Click Appearances and choose Customize. Go to Homepage Settings, select Static Pages and choose your page from drop-down. Click Publish. Now local website is ready. You can use any theme or plugins in this method.